Welcome to the Center's tutorial on interpreting the CCSSE Executive Summary of Results. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your college's CCSSE Executive Summary, an individually tailored report of results from your survey administration. You will also learn about the information provided in the Executive Summary. Colleges have access to the CCSSE Online reporting system as long as they remain active members in the rolling 3-year cohort. Therefore, colleges that participate at least once every 3 years will have continuous access to institutional reports from within the current cohort cycle. To enter the online reporting site from the CCSSE homepage, ccsese.org, select Members Only on the far right of the blue horizontal navigation menu. You will be prompted to enter your college's Members Only username and password. Please note that the Members Only username and password is shared only with the college president and designated CCSSE institutional contact at your college. If you do not know your college's login credentials, please speak with the institutional contact. If you are the designated institutional contact, please call the center at 512-471-6807 or click on the Forgot Your Password link on the login screen to retrieve your username and password. After entering your college's login credentials, click Login. Next, select Online Reporting System from the bottom of the vertical navigation menu located on the left side of the screen. From the Online Reporting System homepage, select the link containing the institutional reports from the administration year you wish to review. Please note that the Executive Summary of Results is only available for years your college administered CCSSE. To access your college's Executive Summary for a given year, you will need to select the institutional reports for that specific year. For example, if your college participated in the 2019 administration, you will need to select the institutional reports for the 2019 CCSSE cohort from the Online Reporting System homepage. Then, to view your college's Executive Summary, click on Standard Reports from the vertical navigation menu. Next, click on the link titled Executive Summary of Results for your college near the top of the page. The Executive Summary provides college-specific data in easy-to-read, easy-to-share format. It includes a high-level overview of college results, composed of benchmark comparisons between your college and top-performing colleges. In addition, it highlights the aspects of highest and lowest student engagement at your college. Now, we will review both sections of the Executive Summary of Results report in more detail. The cover page shows your college's name and the year of administration. This page, entitled Standardized Benchmark Scores, outlines your college's CCSSE benchmark scores. CCSSE benchmarks are groupings of conceptually related survey items that address key areas of student engagement. Benchmarks are used to compare each institution's performance to that of other institutions and with the CCSSE cohort. The 5 CCSSE benchmarks are active and collaborative learning, student effort, academic challenge, student-faculty interaction, and support for learners. The lollipop chart on this page depicts the benchmark results for all students at your college in blue, compared to the benchmark scores of the average top 10% of the cohort in tan. The gray vertical line represents a score for the entire cohort, which is always 50. In this example, you can see the college scored 46.9 on the active and collaborative learning benchmark, compared to the cohort score of 50, represented by the gray line, and a score of 59.8 for average top 10% of colleges. When you review each of the benchmark scores across the chart, you can see that this particular college scored higher than the cohort on 3 benchmarks but lower on 2. This information is useful for setting targeted institutional goals. You can evaluate your results in comparison to the cohort and top-performing colleges, aspiring to match and even exceed these scores. Please note, any decisions on establishing institutional goals should incorporate deeper analysis of CCSSE results combined with institutional priorities and other available institutional data. The next page highlights individual items from within the 5 benchmarks with the largest differences in mean scores between the institution and the CCSSE cohort. The first bar chart displays the aggregated frequencies for the items on which the college performed most favorably relative to the CCSSE cohort, and the table on its right lists the items and the benchmarks to which they belong. It is important to note that some colleges' highest scores might be lower than the cohort mean. The second chart on this page displays the aggregated frequencies for the items on which the college performed least favorably relative to the CCSSE cohort. The table on its right lists the items and benchmarks to which they belong. It is important to note that some colleges' highest scores might be lower than the cohort mean. This concludes the Interpreting CCSSE Executive Summary of Results tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access your college's CCSSE Executive Summary and about the information provided within the document. We encourage you to review the tutorials on navigating the CCSSE Online reporting system, CCSSE standard reports, benchmarks, means, and frequencies, and utilizing CCSSE custom report requests. All tutorials are available on the Tools section of the CCSSE website.